Okay, so this is a short video to show you how you can insert a picture in an online course for a written response. So you're taking a quiz or practice or a test, and one of the questions is something you need to draw. It's a written response question. In this particular one, it says graph the solution set x is less than -4 or x is greater than or equal to 2. So you need to go outside of the course to actually graph your solution. You can do that in PowerPoint, Word, Paint, but wherever you graphed your solution, you saved the picture. So you have a file with your solution. And so what you're going to do now is add that picture for the answer to your written response. So we're going to hit Insert Image, and that's the camera. The picture is saved on your computer, so click My Computer, and then hit Upload. Now you'll have to know where it's saved on your course on your desktop. So just, I would make sure it's in whatever the course is, that folder on your desktop, and then you can create folders. So it could be where, and just make sure you know which one's the correct file. Once you select the file, you'll hit Open. The name of the file of your picture will show here. You can leave everything as is. It's going to store that file in your course, and hit Add. They ask you for an alternative text. It really doesn't matter, but you should probably name it the same thing that you named your picture. But it really doesn't matter. It's just an alternate text name for that picture, and hit OK. And there it is. So the solution to this written response question is this number line with that inequality, compound inequality graphed. Then answer any other questions you have for that particular assignment, and when you're done, you hit Submit.